name's Travis and I work with ANZUK as a TA or an educational support staff, all with different children with special needs in regards to autism, Asperger's, OCD and learning difficulties and things like that. And it's really been an eye-opening experience, especially with myself now studying a Masters of Teaching in secondary. It's been very good to not only build patience and just understanding of these children and how they communicate or may not communicate in some situations, and how to get the best out of them and how to further their learning and their needs.
I've been a teacher for over 20 years. I've only come back to teaching in the last 5, and I've been working for ANZUK for approximately 3 years. One of the reasons I came to ANZUK was the flexibility with work, which I absolutely love. My supervisor, well, she's not really my supervisor, Rachel, is absolutely fantastic. I'm here today because I really wanted to meet her. She's warm and tries to get me work around my area, so I'm actually driving 10 minutes to work, which is fantastic. One of the bonuses of working with ANZUK is you actually walk out at 3:30, 3:35. So there's no report writing, there's no meetings after school, you get a full day's work, so you start at usually 8:30 till 3:30, and it's very convenient.